Rochelle stopped by the Underwood Fall Festival. This amazing Halloween and fall themed event showcases many things as well as themed weekends. The first weekend was Emergency Responder Weekend. Past that, though, there are plenty of things to do, from tractor rides to hay rides, and plenty of pumpkins to see far and wide. There are horse-drawn carriages, as well as many varieties of pumpkins for you to look at, pick out, and purchase. You can even check out a pig race. There are plenty of food options as well at the event, and tons of entertainment. We recommend you check out the corn maze. At the end of the day, it's all a lot of fun for the families with tons of options to entertain your young ones.